Hello there. Did you know now we don't need to spend hours or many minutes to remove or to change the background of any picture, because Adobe Photoshop is providing really great features to remove the background with just one click and to change the background with just in few clicks, and that all the work now we can do in minutes. For example, I'm gonna remove the background of this picture, and this is the slider which you can find in Adobe Photoshop latest version. If you updated your Adobe Photoshop, then you may find this in your Adobe Photoshop version 2023. To remove the background, now we just need to click on this remove background button, or if you want to just make a selection, then you can also select object by clicking on this button. Just click on this and it will remove the background for us, and the background is removed. Now we need to add the background in this. Now to change the background, I'm gonna drop up one more picture beneath this main subject, and that's it. Let's resize our background so that we can perfectly fit it to our picture, and here it is. Now there is something we need to do. First, let me crop it down. Now in this picture, background is moved, background is changed, and the major thing which we need to do, it's not looking realistic because of the color are unmatched. So we need to match the foreground color to our background, and for that I'm not gonna play with that any kind of adjustment layer. So rather than playing with adjustment layers, I'll simply follow some great features, some smart features, and which you can find in filter, neural filter, and there you find harmonization. Simply click on that, then select the layer that is our background obviously, and after selection it is processing on device, and you can take a look. Our colors are completely set up according to the background. Here you can check without the color matching, it's looking really pathetic because of the unmatched color. Then after matching the color, you can check the differences. It is looking really nice, really sweet. If you want to add a more depth in that, then you can do one more thing. Just simply make a copy of this one by pressing Command or Ctrl+J, then convert it into smart object, then visit the filter, in filter blur, Gaussian blur, then simply select the subject. After selecting the subject, click on select, then modify, then contract to it by 2, then simply press Command or Ctrl+Shift+I. It will invert the selection. Then add a layer mask in that, and here it is. I just added a very little amount of the Gaussian blur at the corners, at the edges of the image. You can check when I'm gonna zoom it. You can check here it is with blur, and here it is without the blur. So it just added few pixels, very few pixels of blurriness, so that we can make it more realistic. So this is what you need to do. It is really simple in this advanced 2023 world. So I hope you like this video. I hope you learn from this video, and share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I need your support, so please subscribe and share the channel. See you in next video.